Hey guys, let's see today how to turn on and use sound recognition on your iPhone, iPad guys. So guys, whatever the reason, but I wanted to use sound recognition on my iPhone guys. Actually, this is the best feature in iPhone as per my understanding guys. So for example guys, so let's see in some situation you are alone in a home and you are watching a movie with your headphones, and if someone try to knock your door but you are not getting that proper the sound through sound recognition feature in your iPhone to receive a notification when your iPad detects some sounds like a doorbell because someone try to knock your door and you are not getting the proper sound because you are using headphones and watching the movie, right? So just try to turn on sound recognition features. So let's see guys where is this option available in iPhone. So for that, just tap on settings, and now just try to find accessibility. So you can see here, just tap on it, and now guys just try to find sound recognition feature. So you can see over here it's currently it's turned off, so just try to turn on, just tap on it guys, and you can see sound recognition. So just tap to turn on, and guys, so let's say example I want to add doorbell sound. Yeah, so already doorbell sound I have enabled that one guys. So let's see if someone try to knock the door whether I will get the notification or not. Let's see guys. So you can see guys, someone tried to knock the door and I got the notification because someone tried to knock my door. Yeah, a sound has been recognized that may be a doorbell. So guys, this way you can add some another sound as per your wish. And also guys, this way you can use sound recognition on your iPhone, iPad guys. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.